So he's going to do this, just the main traffic area in and out of the house. He's going to use the brush. It helps restore the nap and kind of get the pre-spray scrubbed in. So he's not going to do a lot of this, but just a little bit to get some of the main spots that he saw ready to go. And then we'll start bonnet cleaning pretty soon. There's a little stained area here. All right. That's the dark areas. He's going to switch over to the bonnet. Now in the video description below, you can check, and I'll put links for the Oreck Orbiter and for the bonnet and the brush. And I'll put a link in for the carpet rake that we're going to use, the Grande Groom. So if you have any interest in looking at those things, you can check there for, it'll be manufacturer's information, there'll be user reviews. And so it's a good place to check, and also the best current price, just so you get an idea what it costs to have the equipment that you need to do this kind of work. It's not all that expensive if you want to do very much work at all. It's pretty affordable. So he's getting ready to start the bonnet, if it's on there straight. So it looks like all the stains on this one are going to come right out. It's not going to be any big issues, so this will be a pretty quick job. Basically they're going to end up giving the carpet a real good scrubbing, and that's basically all it really needed. There's not a lot to this one. Everything's coming out pretty good, and this carpet's in pretty good condition. It's just a little bit dirty. It took a while to vacuum all the stuff out of it, but Yeah, this is coming up pretty good. This carpet's pretty nice, actually. The carpet on our last video that we did was a lot better quality carpet when it was new, but it got worn out pretty badly, so it didn't hold up very well because the people that were in there didn't take very good care of it. This carpet, although it looked like it was pretty dirty when I first put the video up before it was vacuumed, it was basically just surface stuff that was easy to get out. There's no embedded stuff in this, it's too bad. So
this is the dirty spot here. You always want to go over it a little bit more. Make sure you have no doubts by going over it a few times. It won't hurt to go over it. Now some of this too on these carpets, once the carpet fibers are damaged, you can get the gray stains, black stains out of them, but the carpet will always look different because the carpet's not normal no more. It's frayed. So at a certain point, you can't fix the damaged carpet. Not really. But this has got the stain out. When it dries, it's going to look real good.
yeah, I'll show you after we braked it. I think it'll look pretty good.
That's it.
All right. Keep watching because we're going to rake it and you can see what the carpets look like when we finish. So stay tuned.